CBAI.
Hey, this is Cam with CBAI. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to merge or unsplit track sections in Suno. This isn't so much as to change the audio sound itself. It doesn't affect that, but if you're having problems with trying to consolidate your track sections in Suno, this trick is going to help because as far as I can tell, Suno doesn't have this feature yet. It also depends on where you're at. The way to do it in Studio is different than the way to do it in the editor. Hopefully in the future they will change that, but as of today, it's different. So let's jump in there and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So in here, I'm in Suno Studio, and I've got two sections here, my green and my blue section, and I will do a quick play here to show you what it sounds like. So let's say I wanted to adjust where one of my sections ended and started. So all you got to do in Suno Studio is to go up to the section header area, go to where that division's at. The icon will change to this horizontal icon. Click and drag to where you want to go. So if you want to extend outwards, you would choose the leftmost section and extend it out this way. And it doesn't change your audio, so I'll show you it doesn't change anything. If you wanted to shrink it or move this section towards a little bit earlier, you could move the divider over here. So that will help you to adjust them. Let's say you did a split, maybe right here, and now you have a new section. I'm going to make it another color just to make it easy to see. Nothing has changed in our audio again, but let's say you did this and then later you didn't want to keep this section, you wanted to just get rid of it, and you didn't have the ability to use the undo button. Maybe you had done some further editing somewhere else in your track. To get rid of it, you would do the same. Just click on the section that you want it to kind of be merged into. So maybe I want pink and green to be merged to each other. I would just go up here again and then drag it over. And now I am back to normal. No changes to the audio. So that's how you do it in the Suno Studio. If you are in the editor, it's a little bit different. So I have a different section and track here. But to show you, I'll get an idea of the sound here. Okay, so if I wanted to change the start of the sections in the editor, you need to go over to this icon here, which is the vertical white oval shape, and then drag it where you need to go. So maybe I'll drag it over here. I'll show you the sound hasn't changed. What will happen if you go up to the section header and try changing it there? Suno treats each individual section in the editor almost like it's a cropped entire track. So if you go up here, you're actually going to sort of extend your crop, and it won't line up correctly. So if I clicked up here and dragged it over, I'm actually going to have different audio now, so I'll show you that. So that's going to mess you up. Just remember that if you're the editor, use the white oval shape to move things around. And if you are in the studio, be sure to use the section header to move things around. And that's about it. If you want to combine the sections or just do some editing and you want to consolidate them, that's how you would do it. And that's it for today's video. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, why don't you give me a subscribe and hit the bell notification, like the video, share with your friends, and leave a comment below of future videos you'd like to see me make. And until next time, this is Cam with CBAI. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one, and take care.